Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the red color iPhone 12. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. This actually isn't my iPhone, which is why I'm doing a quick unboxing. It's just something I haven't been able to get my hands on. And here we go. So, very simply, this is the red one. So it's very similar to the unboxing I did of the iPhone 12 mini in blue. However, this is the bigger version in red. And as you can see, it is very beautiful. Definitely check out the unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini if you want something a bit more in-depth, but I just really wanted to show off the red color and what comes in the bigger size of the regular 12 versus the mini. But as you can see, it looks basically the same. All you have is your USB-C lightning cable. There's no more charger in the box, no more headphones, and you have some information right here. This is the lightning cable of the iPhone 12 that comes in the box. This is some information about it being product red. And it now comes with only one Apple sticker. Like the iPhone mini, it's a 2-camera system. The Pros have the 3-camera system, and it is in this nice glass finish. It's, to my eye, it's more of a light red. It's not a deep dark red like we saw in previous iPhones. It still isn't orange though, it is still very much red. It's just a much lighter shade. And without further ado, let's peel off the top of it. And as you can see, you have that nice bezel-less screen, a 6.1 inch. Let's turn it on. And this is the iPhone 12. This was just a really quick unboxing. I have full coverage of the iPhone 12 mini on my channel. Do go ahead and check that out and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to stay tuned for future videos. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about the red color. And do you like the bigger size of the iPhone 12 compared to the mini? Drop a comment down below and let me know. But other than that, I hope you guys are keeping safe and well. See you all in the next one. Bye everyone.